we are back, and it's time for a slice of Cheryl. Just before we dig into that slice of Cheryl, we've been teasing that we will be giving away one lucky fan a cruise to Asia, courtesy the folks on Soca on the Seas. They're going to wonderful destinations, Singapore, Thailand, and some other wonderful places. We're giving that cruise away at the end of this show, so stay with us, stay connected. One lucky fan of Cup of Joe will go cruising to Asia in April 2020. Now it's time for a slice of this lady. Her name is Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles. We have had a host of chefs over the last 5 years as Cup of Joe celebrates 5 pass through this show. We love to have chefs come and showcase their stuff on the show. Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles was one of those chefs. And she came on the show about 4.5 years ago, and she stayed. She stayed with us, and over the period of that time, that lady that you're seeing on your screen made this show significantly to what it is today. As I'm in thank you mode, I thank you, Chef.
You're welcome.
There are certain people that I've been, if you've been following this particular season when we're celebrating 5, there are certain people that we could not do this show without, and this lady here, sorry, she down here is one of them. Mwah. That's why she has her own name on the segment. This is a slice of Cheryl and a Cup of Joe, and she's about to roll out a recipe courtesy the folks at Knorr Sauces and Sides.
Yes.
We have Swappi in the building.
Oh yeah.
We are joined by our next guest taster. His name is Abby. So we have Swappi and Abby.
Yes, man.
Swappi and Abby. What are you doing for us today, Chef?
So, if you've been following us, you know we have been going through the wide range that Knorr products have. It's quick, it's easy. I believe it's for the busy folks who don't have time to take all day or all afternoon when they come home from work, tired, and children calling, they're hungry to bubble a pot.
Rest it on me. Come on.
So it takes...
Yeah.
Something like you, Swappi?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes.
All the time.
All the time.
Yeah.
It takes about 7 minutes and you have a dish. So we're going to be doing the Alfredo sauce. Now normally you know the Alfredo sauce, it goes over pasta. But what I did today, I mixed in some of the Alfredo in some shredded chicken that I baked with spinach. And we're going to stuff some sheets of lasagna with it. Right? And bake it. So this sauce is only going to take you about 3 minutes or so.
Right.
To get done.
So you're intimidated by doing an Alfredo sauce, which is you gotta mix all that cream and cheese together and get it perfect.
Quick fix.
Powdered stuff.
Yeah.
Powdered stuff.
Right? So while that is thickening up a little bit, we're going to start to stuff. So you just simply take your sheets, put some of your mix.
So that mix is, you're telling me, cheese,
With some of the Alfredo sauce,
some of the same Alfredo sauce,
spinach,
And chicken.
and chicken.
and chopped up chicken. Wow.
Roll it. That's it. There we go. Check that.
Wow. Let me work on that for you. Yeah. So the sauce, you just really kind of stir until it gets nice and thick, Chef.
Until it
Because
gets
it
nice
kind
and
of
thick.
comes together
Because
like a
as
thick
I
Alfredo
said,
sauce.
there's everything in it. There's the Parmesan cheese, everything in it, so you don't need to add anything to it.
Right.
That looking like you could just put it on a grill just so.
And it's just
It looking like you could just rest it on a plate now too.
Cheryl, I never see two big hard black men watch down at a pizza party.
Now, the next step is you can take a baking dish,
Yeah.
lay it with some of the sauce, put this on top of it, and then put some more of the sauce on it. Now, the nice thing is without my pot, it goes straight into the oven,
Yeah.
right? So from stove to oven. So I'll just lay it in there,
Oh, and this is going straight in the oven
and this will go straight into the oven.
and bake for.
And bake for about 15 to 20 minutes because I'm going to top it further with some mozzarella cheese.
Yeah.
Anybody gonna pick that one now?
Yeah, Caroline's still in the audience, guys. Caroline here. Caroline, we're doing more cheese here, girl. More cheese.
Right?
I'll
Whoa.
do this one.
That's it.
In the oven.
In the oven. But don't worry, I have one here.
Don't worry, chef got you.
That's finished. If I can have your plate.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
You see
Can you
that?
give me
Have you seen that?
This it?
a knife?
Knife. Oh, God made cheese.
Cheese
God
make
made.
everything tasty.
God made cheese.
Right? Could you wipe the plate, please?
Sure, chef.
Can I have your plate?
You're frightened. You're frightened?
So let me still go get here first.
Yeah.
Put the plate.
I just want to taste that. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Let's wipe the plate. All that mozzarella
Oh.
goodness.
No.
Right.
Gentlemen,
Oh yeah.
do enjoy. I promise you, you come hungry and you leave.
I kid you not.
That's right.
And that's it.
That's it. That's
Quick
it.
and easy.
Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles, we
Quick
had fun
and
with
easy.
the Knorr flavors and the entire range of sauces and sides.
Yes, we did.
These guys seem to be enjoying that. Do try it on the shelves across the region, guys. Knorr sauces and sides. The Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles, a slice of Cheryl, a cup of Joe. Comes back after this. We put a wrap on it when we come back.